Hola a todas, a todos, a todas. Todos los que puedan ver el video. Well, I look Chinese today, everybody. I'm tired, a little bit tired. For the last 2 days, I've been going to bed at 12:30, 1 a.m. I know, right? Well, I was in a conference in Chicago, so it was amazing. The preachings were powerful. Wow, they were amazing, amazing. And also, I want to thank 2 of the ladies that we met over there. I was so excited. They were excited too, and we personally meet each other, and that was so neat. That was so neat. I'm very, very happy. It was so nice to meet them. Also, today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me, right? So I'm excited. I'm very grateful to God that He has given me life and a purpose, right, to live in His ways. I'm trying. I love God with all my heart, and I can't do or can't choose a better way than God's love and God's will in our lives. We all should keep that in mind. Dios es bueno conmigo, me ama, you know, He loves us, and He gave His life for us. So we need to have a grateful heart, right, and praise Him as many times we can. Amen. Okay. So I'm gonna do something up high, and I hope it's quick and easy for most of you. I have some requests saying, can you do something simple? But for me, things are simple. It's just that I do it slow so you guys can slowly see what I'm doing in everything I do. All right, so good morning everybody, whoever is just joining in. I'm gonna do an updo. Oh, and also I did a video Friday about preparing my hair for a hairdo that I was gonna do at night. So that was for a wavy hair. That turned out good. And then I posted a video like around 6:15 in the afternoon to show you guys how it worked. And I had my hair still the same way yesterday. I slept on it. I woke up and the hair was still good. Not looking as perfect as Friday, but it was still good. You can still use it down and or have like I did a big bun back here in the bottom. It was good. It was good. So my hair today is still. I didn't wash it because I came last night, but my hair is still like a little with texture. So that's gonna help me with the hairdo for today. Sorry. Okay. So here we are. I'm gonna do different things, but okay. A high ponytail. Like I said, my hair is still like with texture, so that's gonna help to make it bigger. I like things with volume. I do. Good morning, good morning. Buenos dias, buenos dias. If you have any questions, ask. I'm here for you guys, you ladies. Dog. This is what I'm doing. I think I feel it sideways. And I have to add another of these. So it's 2 because hair is heavy and I wanted to. So like I said Friday, you pull it to the front in order to stay there where you want it. And then you take it back because then it'll be too in the back. Okay. I'm not done. Relax, I'm not done. I'm not gonna go out like this. Okay though, so you start pulling. I'm gonna pull here. I'm gonna fix it later. I'm not done. I'm just fixing. I'm just pulling right now. In order for me to. Okay. So you're gonna start going around and around. And we're gonna stop right here because I want to use all this. So what you're gonna do is, this don't matter, this is gonna stay in the inside. This is just for me to sit the hair. So this is your base. Go like that. Doesn't matter how you see it right now, it's not gonna end up like this. Okay, I'm just bobby pin it. Okay, that's it. I'm trying to bring this part to the middle. And you keep pulling where you want it. Since I have a lot of hair, as you notice, have anybody noticed that? I have a lot of hair. I love my hair. Okie doke. So what I'm doing is, I'm gonna use the bobby pin here to bring this hair more to the middle, to the center. And I'm gonna do this look. What I did, like this, okay, and you're just gonna pin too. You see how it works. We're still working on it. Alright, then stay in the middle how I want it. Just start pinning, okay? Don't worry. So we're not gonna turn out like this. Okay? Relax. Like I said, it's my birthday. And you bring it towards where you want it. Just keep pinning. High as you want, you just pin it how you want it. So you're gonna start hairspraying, excuse me. I've been screaming my head off in the conference, so I'm a little sore throat, but it's okay. To God the glory. I'm happy I went to that conference. We all need to get away, just for you and God. You that have that away from home, and have that especially a special time for you and God only. So like I said, my hair is, if you have mousse in your hair and it's dry, you can do this up too real quick, because your hair already have texture. You don't have to do anything else. Nothing else. So you're gonna hairspray it. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight. You have to start fixing. See, I didn't even curl it. I didn't even do anything because it was already like that for me. Bobby pin, whatever you need to bobby pin. Just play with your hair. You have your mirror, you play with your hair, you just make it even. And there's nothing else like you can do. That's it. This is so easy. See, you just fix it. And then in the back, let me see how my back is looking, okay? So this is what I'm doing on the back. perfect. Remember? Don't need to look perfect at all. Don't need to. We're not here for perfect hair because it doesn't exist. And it's looking good, ladies. I'm gonna hide this one. This one you can't even curl it. I can curl it and leave it on the side, but no, I don't wanna put heat on my hair. Not today. I never use heat in my hair. Just once or twice a year. My hair is very delicate for heat, so I don't use it. Okie doke. I have anybody have a question? Anybody? I went to the strip and I can't find my things, but remember I said you gotta use this side, like you brush your hair, but then you use this side to pull your hair in. Okay? That's how you do it. And you just go inside those hairs you don't want. What can we use to decorate it? It's perfect like this. It don't need no decoration, especially the dress have on. I don't need to have something so big or not. I want my hair to be. I do have some that I can wear for sure. I have my pearls. I have these. I have these. Let's see how it looks. What do you guys think? One. Okay, I want to show you guys. This one. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? That one. I have these pearls like this. It's cute. I do have this one. Is cute too. See, that's how you can try. Oh shoot, I dropped it. Here it is. And then I do have these ones. But I think I already know which one I want. This is the winner. I think this is the winner. Let's see if this is. Here we are, ladies. It looks nice. It looks tall, high, how I want it. Okay, I think I'm all set. It only took what? 10 minutes? It's very easy when you have your hair with texture. You just place it where you want it, hairspray it, bobby pin it, let's go. It's pretty easy. Any more questions? Anybody have a question? We all good? Have a great service. Focus, okay? Praise God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul. Love everybody. Have a great Sunday. Bye.